Hello my dear children. Today we are going to discuss the third chapter of your second block. Second block is dedicated to the importance of relationship. In the first chapter of your second block, that was a poem entitled as Mending Wall. We discussed the importance of neighborhood relationship. The second chapter of your second block was Amigo Brothers. It tells with the importance of friendship. So the third chapter too deals with the same theme, the importance of relationship, but here the picture is somewhat changed to family. In the third chapter we discuss about the importance of family bondage. So here the family becomes the center of the story. The third chapter is entitled as The Hour of Truth. It is a one-act play. So play is meant for enacting, not for reading. So this one-act play discusses the importance of family relationship. Children, keep always the point in your mind that what you are reading is not a short story, it is a play. Play is meant for enacting or performance. So we are reading the script of that performance. You should imagine each and every scene in your mind so that you will get a clear idea. So keep your two eyes open and read the script of this play very closely. You need a type of reading that is called as close reading while you read a play. Okay, we can see several characters in this one act play. The play circles around a family, the family of Robert Baldwin. Robert Baldwin is the central character of this particular play. His wife Martha and his two children John and Evie. And another important character of this particular drama is John Grisham. John Grisham is a character who is present everywhere in this particular drama, but we can't see him physically in anywhere in this drama. That means he is present everywhere but not able to see. So we can call him as an omnipotent character. So John Grisham is the omnipotent character in this particular drama. Robert Baldwin faces a crisis, and at that moment of crisis, he believes that his family will stand with him. But when money becomes the hero, we can see his beliefs become utterly collapsed. Even his family members change their mindset and he stands alone in that particular pathway. But we all know the last victory is that of truth. Truth will win. The victory is of that of truth. That is again proved in that drama. Even though his family to change their mindset when money becomes the hero, we can see that the final victory was with Robert Baldwin. Robert Baldwin's character is applauded by each and every person who read this drama and who knows Robert Baldwin from heart to brain. He is the sincere person that we can see in anywhere. He is very much sincere. He is very much loyal. He is very much truth oriented. So we need Robert Baldwin's anywhere and everywhere in our life. Even though he is not supported, he stands firm in his position. He stood firm for the victory of truth. That kind of a person is very much demanding in the century. We need such persons. So children, start reading that particular play. It is meant for actually performance. Keep this point alive in your mind and start reading this chapter. It is not an easy cakewalk to complete a play online. So, yes, you complete the reading process for the next week. We can have a discussion. Without your prior knowledge of that particular chapter, I cannot have a complete discussion. So, start reading the chapter, and while reading, if you find any difficulty, please do contact me personally. I will help you to have a clear path while reading. As a complete reading, we can have a discussion regarding several points of that particular chapter. So start reading the chapter. You will understand something. With that something, we can have a discussion. Actually, it is a lengthy chapter in your textbook, but it will be interesting as it is in the form of a dialogue. Dialogue means the presentation by two persons, isn't it? The dialogue presentation format. It is in the format of dialogue presentation. So continue reading. Start reading, not continue reading. You should continue reading. You will continue reading because it is very much interesting. There are certain vocabularies that will be difficult for you. I will help you in that discussion session. Have a clear idea regarding the chapter, then we can have the discussion. So children, start reading that particular text. You have to focus on Robert Baldwin. What type of a character is he? What are the challenges faced by Robert Baldwin to reach his victory? What kind of mentality the family was having towards his character? That too you have to keep in mind. And one more thing, and that is the most important thing. You should always think, if I was Robert Baldwin, what would I do? Or what will be the things that I have will do? Okay? So thank you, children. Have a reading of this particular chapter. Thank you.